How to transfer Gcredit to Gcash wallet. Now, first things first, to avoid any crashes and issues with the application, you're just gonna make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Gcash. Now head just directly to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or wherever you have downloaded the app, and ensure that update button is not visible on the Gcash application. If it is, just simply tap it and it will automatically do the stuff by itself. Now next thing to do is just to log in your Gcash account using your 4-digit PIN. Now Gcash or Gcredit may not be available for everyone. It is an offer basis. So if you head directly to your account at the lower right portion of the application, it is usually be visible on the borrow field. Now, if Gcredit is available in here, you just have to tap on Gcredit and then it will automatically be linked out to transfer over directly to your Gcash wallet. And that's how you transfer Gcredit to Gcash wallet.